Hi lovelies, Nana Ange here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna dive right in. I promised y'all I was gonna try polygel, and so I'm getting ready to do that. That'll be in a different video, but I just thought I'd jump on here and show you what I've purchased as far as polygel goes, and we could swatch them together. So if you like that kind of thing, stick around and we'll swatch all of these polygels. Now I bought all of these on Temu. This was a whole set of beauty polygel. It came with a slip solution, I'm assuming, and it also came with base coat and top coat. So I'll have to try those out to see how they work. And then it came with all of these colors. This is an acrylic gel that I got from Temu called Miss Cheering. And then this is a Lime Girl polygel PGS002. It's all tealy and purpley and you know that's what Nana Ange likes. So I'm going to try to swatch them on my little tabs here and then just stick them on the bottles. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, first color of beauty is Crystal Pink, and it says 004 on it. So let's get into that one. Try to get up close here so you can see it. Ooh, that's pretty. Can you see that? It has pink sparkles in it. Ooh, I like it. I like it, I like it. Okay. And the second one here, which is 005 of the beauty, is Crystal Blue. Oh, yes. That's pretty too. Very pretty. This is just clear, so I'm not going to swatch that one. This is Crystal Silver. Now, I've never used polygel before, but this seems kind of runny, so I'm a little afraid. Ooh, that's really pretty. Looks like it's got a little hollow in it too. It's not just silver, it's silver with hollow. Ooh. Love. 008 is Crystal Gold. I'm really excited to try the polygel. Y'all have been so supportive and like, just do it, you'll love it. Ooh. Look at that one, y'all. That's got a lot of gold in her. But it's pretty. So I'm just going to be brave and I'm going to do it, and I'm going to do it on camera the very first time, and it'll either work or it won't. So you can either watch me succeed in polygel, or you can come along and laugh. This is blue. Ooh. These all have like a clear base. A nice clear base too, it looks like. Okay. This one is red. 011. And I believe this set also came with a, ooh, look at that one. That's pretty too. And a brush to use with these polygels. I'm probably gonna try them in dual forms first off. I've watched about 1 million videos, but we'll see. Light pink, 015. Ooh, that's like a milky pink. That's pretty. Pretty. Okay, and then here are our two different kinds. The acryl gel clear pink, Miss Cheering. This on this side here. Ooh. Yeah, that one's a lot thicker. But I'm figuring maybe thicker might be better for the first time. I don't know. That's pretty. It looks very similar to the Beauty one, but it's kind of a transparent pink. And then this is the Lime Girl PGS 002. I think I showed this on a haul one time. It's really pretty. Oh yeah, look at that beaut. I'm gonna stand up and make sure you guys can see all those in the camera. Good. They're really pretty. Which is your favorite? And which do you think I should use on my first polygel set? Leave me a comment, let me know which one I should use for my first polygel set. If I was picking, I would pick this Lime Girl one here, or this this one right here. But you know, Nana Ange and her purple and teal. Okay, that's the polygel I have. Thank you for joining me. This is just a little bonus video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see me try polygel for the first time on camera. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Love ya. Nana Ange.